Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Hey, I admit it, I'm a condiment addict. It can anything from mustard to sauce to ketchup, mayo, Dijonnaise and so on. I have some savory jams that I enjoy a lot, and one of them is my Bourbon Onion Jam. Full of flavor, it's super easy to make and a great topping for your grilled pork or chicken, as well as on burgers and hot dogs. It's certainly a must try. So let's get cooking.
In a medium skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add butter as well as olive oil. When it's melted and starts sizzling, we'll add our Lyonnaise cut onions and season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll saute them for 2 minutes, making sure the onion slices are well coated. We'll cover, reduce the heat to medium, and cook for 8 minutes, stirring often. When time is up, we'll add a large pressed garlic and saute for only 1 minute. We'll reduce the heat to medium-low and continue cooking for another 10 minutes, stirring frequently. We want to caramelize the onions, not burn them. 10 minutes later, we'll pour in some bourbon, mix it well, bring the heat back to medium, and cook until the liquid is almost evaporated, stirring often. This entire process should take about 10 minutes, and we'll end up with amazing bourbon-flavored onion slices. Also, like I always say, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. Might need just a bit more salt and pepper. Of course, if we add anything, we'll have to stir again. We'll keep it warm until needed. And my friends, this is our Bourbon Onion Jam. This incredible recipe is great on burgers, steaks, pork chops, etc. It's easy to make and another tasty condiment to have on hand. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!